tired of living in that one-horse town. I went to the station, flagged that hummingbird down. I didn't even call to say goodbye. I couldn't stand to see that little girl cry. Now I'm off to the city, gonna make my name. Those lights are calling me to fortune and fame. I had to ride that hummingbird. I had to ride that hummingbird. I'm gonna make it now just any day. I've got this guitar and I came to play. Lying here lonely knowing what I lost. My heart keeps asking, was it worth the cost? Now ain't it funny how it always seems, once you're standing there the grass ain't so green. Why did I ride that hummingbird? I had to ride that hummingbird. Oh, today she called me on the telephone. She said, hey country boy, you've been gone too long. And now I'm standing at the station, looking down the line. Here comes that hummingbird, she's right on time. That's right. I'm gonna ride that hummingbird. Just let me ride that hummingbird. We're gonna ride. Just let me ride that hummingbird.
Beautiful!